This might sound harsh,
Mm.
but that's just what technology does, right? I mean, it's almost Darwinistic, and it's not the strongest that survive. It is the ones that adapt the fastest.
Mhm.
I need to weigh my words, but currently I see a lot of panicking going on in law firms about this trend already showing that less work, like work from A to Z, like a full scope of work, is arriving at their desks.
Mhm.
Because in-house lawyers or general partners at a private equity, they've done already some investigation on the asset with AI. And it's both good and bad. Sometimes they get an analysis that is completely wrong because they just use like standard AI that there's like no knowledge, and they're like, instead of starting with 0 and I have to start with -10 and educate my customer or my client that yeah, basically they're looking at this completely wrong. But you also have the private equities that know what they're doing, and they have legal knowledge in house, and they know how the AI works, and they get the assignment in at a later point in time that they would get normally, and 50-60% of the work is already done, and they are only being requested to do work on a very specific part of the transaction.
Mm.
I think both happen. Where can Emma help? Making sure that you're in the category that you can say, hey, private equity, or hey, serial acquirer. We know this technology as well. We know how to work with it. We have our specific knowledge of our law firm in here, and you just get a much more qualitative output or a much qualitative LDD from us than you can potentially do yourself. And that's how you adapt. I can't. I can give you the tools. I can give you the enablement to be that firm. You need to set the strategic vision for your firm, whether you believe that will differentiate you or not.